Hey everyone, so we got some bad news with AT&T. I know if you watch my previous videos, we've gotten a lot of good news recently, but sadly, we just got hit with some bad news. So let's take a look at AT&T. We're at $29.62 with a market cap of 211.24 billion. So the bad news is that AT&T is being sued. And let's take a look at this article. So AT&T is sued by SEC over information disclosed to analysts. So AT&T and three of its executives were hit with an unusual lawsuit by federal regulators claiming they selectively disclosed non-public information about the company's finances to Wall Street analysts. The three made private calls to analysts at about 20 firms, disclosing information that included its internal sales data and the impact on revenue, according to the SEC. The analysts then reduced the revenue forecast, the agency said. It said that the point of the calls were to avoid a revenue miss for the company. So, what happened was analysts had their thoughts and opinions on where AT&T was going to come in at, but then these three called those analysts, informed them, "Hey, this is what's going on. We're we're declining in sales, so just giving you a heads up." Then those analysts went back and said, "Oh, hey, we're going to reduce this. AT&T is going to come in at this lower number." That is manipulation. I would classify it as a form of insider trading just for the fact that it saved AT&T probably millions and millions of dollars, because if they wouldn't have if they wouldn't have did this, they would have looked bad when they did their earnings report. They would have came in a lot less. Thousands of people would have sold AT&T, and that's just not good for the company. This is not good for the company. The SEC, a lot of people hate them, but some of this stuff they do is on the benefit of traders, and this is bad. This puts a bad image on AT&T, and I wouldn't be surprised if these three, if they're still here, they get fired. I know the new AT&T CEO is trying to turn things around, so this is he's got some damage control right now, and it's not going to hit our stock price really hard, but at this time where we were just in the $28 range, now we're going up, you're going to see a little bit of pullback, and even the little bit equals millions. Just understand that. So it's not extreme, but this is just, we don't need this bad image right now when we're turning around this company and a lot of big things are happening. So please be aware of this, stay on top of this, do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.